Hey y'all, it's Daisy. I bought my chickens a treat, so I'm gonna give it to them and see how they like it. So bear with me, I gotta hold the camera and do this all at the same time. Babe, can you open this?
Get off me, Red.
Come here, Red. Mama's got a treat. Come here.
Better watch him.
Yeah, little Patrick Swayze, he's not the friendliest. Ooh, what we got here, y'all? Y'all come get you some. Where's Serena?
She behind me.
Boy, Red is tearing it up. She love it already. Come here, Serena. Get you some too, baby. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. There you go. Patrick Swayze, you gonna get some too? Come on. Come get you some.
So, yeah, I think I am.
There we go. Is it good? Yeah?
They going to town, boy.
It's okay. Go ahead and eat. Mama ain't gonna get you. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe so I can go live.